guys. So I had a lot of people ask me about how you look up items on eBay and how you can get started. So one of the first things that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to find if an item is valuable. So what you want to do is most things have barcodes, especially if they're in the box. So you want to locate the barcode, which is right here, and you're going to pull up your eBay app and you're going to scan this with your eBay app. I'll show you how to do that. So you want to pull up your eBay app and you're going to hit this camera up here in the search bar and it will pull up a barcode and you scan it just like this. And this will bring up everything that is currently listing. You don't want to do by what's listed because anyone can put a price on anything. We want to see what's sold. What are people paying for this? So we hit filter there in the top and we go down to sold items. And this is what they are actually selling for. You can see people are selling them and then they're also charging shipping. Some people are doing free shipping, but I wouldn't advise that. Another way that you can look up for things that don't have boxes, so say, for instance, you don't have a barcode to scan, you can look on the radio. Okay, so we know this is a Rhapsody radio and it's a AM FM battery electric. So we should be able to type that into eBay and find a picture of something that looks similar to this. Let's do that now. Okay, so we are going to type in the search bar here exactly what we have. Rhapsody FM AM radio. It's an electric radio. Okay, so this is what's listed. Remember, we don't want to look at this. We want to go to filter, sold, and I was trying to show you how to check the condition, but it didn't work for this. But we're trying to find something that looks similar, and we're not going to end up finding it. No one's sold this one that I've had before, but these comps are for the last 90 days. So no one has sold this in the last 90 days. But these are things that you can look out for. So as you can see on that particular item, we couldn't find it. Now you can take a risk and you can maybe list it for $20 or best offer, and maybe someone will send you $15 plus shipping. That would be worth picking up, depending on the price range that you want to make. The minimum that you're willing to list an item, and take the pictures and all the time that you invested into it. So sometimes it can take up to 10 minutes to list something. So how much money is 10 minutes of listing and everything that you have to do worth? And then the time sourced and all of that, is that worth $15? And you don't even get the $15. You have to pay eBay fees and PayPal fees, so altogether you may get $10. Is $10 worth 10 minutes of your time? Okay, so with that being said, let's hop on eBay. I'm going to show you how to tell the difference if you were to find this brand new or if you were to find it used, and how much of a price difference there is. Okay, so we are going to type in Model A delivery Racing Champion Piggy Bank. Okay, so these are what are currently listed. We don't want to look at those. But look, there's one that's 19 free shipping. That's exactly what we have. That's currently listed. So we go to solds, and that one sold for $8 with shipping. Most of these are, some of them are brand new, and honestly, it's not even really worth it brand new. $22 best offer accepted. I particularly would not pick this up, but this is something I had laying around the house. Okay, so that should give you an idea on how to start. You know, when you're finding things that are important to note when you're looking them up. So say you find this and you don't find it in the box, okay? So you may want to look up Model A delivery van, piggy bank, racing champions, no box. You know, see if any of them are selling with no box, and if they're not, don't pick it up. You know, you can type in new, used. The prices are dramatic. Like if you can pick up one of these brand new and, you know, somebody only wants, I don't know, $2 for it, and maybe you can turn around and sell it for $25 brand new, pick it up. But if, you know, somebody wants $10 for this, which more than likely is gonna happen, if somebody wants $10 for this and you see it's only selling on used, you know, on eBay for $10, don't pick it up. It's not going to be worth it. So keep in mind, when it comes to something that has like pieces like this, you have to worry about if it's used, are all the pieces there? Do you really feel like counting pieces? And that's something that you would have to list in the description. May not have all pieces. So really, when it comes to Lego, if the item is already built, sure. But if it's in a box like this and it's used and you don't know if maybe a 3-year-old kid had it and pieces are still under the couch and not all the pieces are in here, I wouldn't pick it up. Unless it's a super valuable Lego that goes for like over 100 and 150, then maybe it might be worth picking up. Well guys, this is a really simple video on just getting started and how to look up items. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. You know, there are reseller groups that you can join that, you know, maybe if you get to a yard sale and say it doesn't have a model number, or, you know, you're not worth it, you don't know its value because you can't look it up, you can't find it. You can post pictures on there and other resellers are more than happy to help you. But thank you so much for joining me, guys. Until next time, thanks so much.